Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Airtable bases using API scripts and backup step by step clearly. To backup your Airtable bases using API scripts and backups, follow these steps. First, log in to your Airtable account. Navigate to the base you want to backup. Obtain your Airtable API key from the account settings. Visit the Airtable API documentation to find relevant base endpoints. Copy the base ID from the API documentation page. Create a new script file in your preferred coding environment. Use a programming language of your choice, such as Python or JavaScript. Import necessary libraries, such as requests for Python or Axios for JavaScript. Start by defining the API key and base ID in your script. Construct the API endpoint URL using your base ID. Make a GET request to the API endpoint using your API key. Store the retrieved data in a variable. Check for any error responses from the API. If the response is successful, format the data for storage. Choose a file format for your backup, such as JSON or CSV. Use file handling methods to write the data to your selected format. Ensure your backup is easily accessible for future restoration. Set up a schedule for regular backups using a task scheduler or cron job. Test your backup script to ensure it functions correctly. Monitor the output and storage location of your backups. Document the backup process for easier reference in the future. Now, you have a reliable method to backup your Airtable bases using API scripts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.